going on, everyone? Got a 2023-2024 Mazda CX50 remote key fob here, and today I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace your battery. Okay, so all you're going to do with the key fob here is we're just going to remove this panel right here that has the Mazda sign on it. Okay, the buttons will be on your left side, and all you got to do is get a small flathead screwdriver. Let me get one real quick and pry off this panel here. Okay, so I'm going to go towards the bottom here, and I'm going to stick this down the bottom here and just kind of lift up and pry this panel right off. Okay, now once you get that off, if we look right here, this actually is the size of the battery. It says CR2032, and you're going to go ahead and take this little cap off too with the screwdriver. Just going to pry it off the top here. You can pry it off the bottom too. All right, and it comes right out, and here is our battery. All right, now we're going to need to pry this guy out too. So I'll take it out. I'll show you the battery again. This one is a CR2032 with the positive sign facing out towards us. You're going to need to stick it in the bottom of the remote first. Pop it in there. You get the cover, and it just sticks back on. Okay, it should click and pop. And you get the cover, and the cover will only go one way because it has this foot right here on the top right. Put it back where it needs to go, and then you just click this guy all back together. Now you might be wondering what this little switch is on the bottom of the remote here. If you pull this out like that way, what it does is it releases this panel here. This panel is like locked on because it's kind of hard to do. When you take this off, the spare key will be inside this part of the remote here. Okay, there we go. It comes off like that, and here's your spare key. Okay, and it just uses this locking mechanism right here. It's hard to get to. Let's see, but it moves this part of it here. Okay, and you just snap this one back on here the same way you did like with the other one. Okay, well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you'd hit that like button for me and leave me a comment, and I hope to see you again in another video.